Hello everybody, this is Jonathan, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use the Gnome weather application. And this application allows you to check what the weather is going to be like. So this could be hourly, this could be daily, and you guys can also change the location, refresh it, and you guys can change the temperature unit for being Celsius to being Fahrenheit. It's very well supported on most Linux distributions. And yeah, let's get started right now with using the weather application. So click on to open. As you guys can see, I'm using the dark mode, but obviously if I do change into being like on a light mode, it's changed to being light mode. But I like it being on the dark mode, so it kind of matches up with your system. And that's great having support for dark mode. But there's also light mode if you want that to be enabled. But let's keep the dark mode on because it's better for my eyes. Okay, let me just minimize that. Now we are within the application, and over here it says Mexico City. Mexico. I'm currently on the hourly because it takes you there automatically, and it shows what the weather is going to be like hourly. I'm currently using Celsius as my temperature unit, so that means that the temperature unit for for today right now is at 17 Celsius. So that means it's pretty good, but it is raining at the moment. And it looks like it's raining all day in Mexico. As you guys can see, by using these arrows you should be able to move it to the left and to the right, as you guys can see. And it does seem like it's raining all day in Mexico. You guys can go to daily and see what the weather is going to be like on other days. So for example, Monday it's raining, Tuesday is cloudy, Wednesday we'll have a bit of sun, but it's also cloudy, Thursday is cloudy, Friday is cloudy, and so on and so on and so on and so on. And you guys can use this to go from left to right, as you guys can see, and obviously you can maximize it and just add a view to it. But yeah, over there just shows up the temperature. What you guys can also do is click on the CD three dots, and what this three dots allows you to do is to see what the weather is going to be like in the night, what it's going to be like in the morning, what it's going to be like in the afternoon and the evening, as well as the temperature and how strong the wind will be. So that means that in Mexico on Thursday, the night it will be raining, in the morning it's going to be cloudy, in the afternoon it's going to be raining, in the evening it's going to be raining. But I do predict overall it's going to be a bit cloudy. On Monday it's going to rain at night, it's going to rain in the morning, it's going to rain in the afternoon, and it's going to be cloudy in the evening. So it's not going to rain like all the time, but it is raining a whole lot of the time on Monday. Okay, so let me just click out of it by clicking onto these three dots again, and I should be able to change the city, or to change my location, by clicking on this button over there, and then from here we should be able to change it. So you guys can obviously, if I have history, then it will just show up all the previous ones I had previously. So for example, I was on Denver, United States. So to load it back up, I can just click onto Denver, United States, because that was the one that I used previously, and now we've got Mexico City below it. But I can delete it by clicking on this X over there, and that will delete the actual location from this application. I can now go ahead and search for a new city. So over here I can do something like let's do London. London, Canada. So it seems like that Monday is going to be sunny, on Tuesday it's going to be sunny again, and it's going to be cloudy on Wednesday. And you guys can also see what the weather is going to be like at night, what it's going to be like in the morning, what it's going to be like in the afternoon, and for evening you guys can check for temperature as well, and you guys can obviously check for how strong the wind will be. And you guys can go to hourly as well, and it seems like it is currently raining in London in Canada. So it's a bit odd because London is only in the United Kingdom, but I guess they just copied the name from England. But yeah, this is Canada. Okay. So what guys can do is change the temperature unit by click on these three lines, and you guys can just click onto Fahrenheit, and this will just change it from being Celsius to Fahrenheit. See, as you see that the actual number has changed. So it changed to Fahrenheit. Which is what we use in the United States. We use Fahrenheit. But other countries like England uses Celsius, whereas in the United States we use Fahrenheit. Well, guys, can click onto About Weather, and that will show what version it is currently on. Well, guys, can also visit website. This will just load up to the weather website. We'll be able to learn more about it. Well, guys, can report an issue by clicking on this button. Well, guys, can go to credits, and then from credits just shows up all of the developers that are currently working on this project. Isn't this amazing? And you guys can click on this arrows over there to go back, and you guys can also read this legal tab, which shows up basically their licensing agreement, and it is under the GNU General Public License version 2 or later. So that is the license they are using. Okay, cool. If you guys like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.